All right, so we're on our last night of prepositions. You should be on page 7, and we're doing numbers 7 through 12 together. All right, so number 7, beside the clock, Beth found a mouse. Okay, where was the mouse? It was beside the clock. Okay, the first word of the prepositional phrase is a preposition. Last word is a noun. Anything in the middle is an adjective. Don't forget your arrow. Number 8. Between meals, the girls drank tea in tall glasses. So when were they drinking tea? Between meals. And what were they drinking them from? In tall glasses. First word's always a preposition. Last word's always a noun. And anything in the middle, if there is something in the middle, is an adjective. You don't have to have an adjective, though. Okay? Number 9, the crowd went to town in jeeps. So I see that to word, which I know I check. And to town is a prepositional phrase. In jeeps is also a prepositional phrase. First word's a preposition. Last word is a noun. And there are no adjectives in these prepositional phrases to label. Number 10, last one. After dinner, the child took a nap on the large bed. So when did this happen? It was after dinner. And where was the nap? On the large bed. First word is a preposition, after and on. Last word is a noun, dinner and bed. And anything in the middle is an adjective. I want you to make sure that your arrow always goes from the adjective to the noun it's describing. So what kind of bed? The bed, and the large bed. Okay? So for homework, you're doing numbers 11 and 12. And what I want you to do is right here, I want you to write what your favorite season is. My favorite season is fall. Okay? So everyone write your favorite season. And have a great